Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: one meal a day or OMAD. Whether you're just starting out or looking for ways to make OMAD easier, you're in the right place. Stick around as we share 7 practical tips to help you succeed with OMAD. Tip number 1, plan your meal. The first tip is all about planning. Plan your OMAD meal ahead of time. This not only helps you stay on track with your nutritional goals, but also ensures you're getting the right balance of nutrients in that one meal. Consider incorporating lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of vegetables to keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. Tip number 2, stay hydrated. Sometimes, our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading us to overeat during our OMAD meal. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and curb unnecessary cravings. Herbal teas and black coffee are also great options to help suppress appetite. Tip number 3, listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger cues and eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Remember, you have a full hour to enjoy your meal during OMAD, so take your time and savor each bite. Eating mindfully can help prevent overeating and promote better digestion. Tip number 4, stay busy. Distractions can be your best friend when you're transitioning to OMAD. Keep yourself occupied with work, hobbies, or exercise to take your mind off food until it's time for your meal. Not only will this help pass the time, but it'll also prevent unnecessary snacking out of boredom. Tip number 5, be flexible. While OMAD typically involves fasting for 23 hours and eating within a 1-hour window, it's okay to adjust your eating window to fit your lifestyle. Find what works best for you and don't be too hard on yourself if you need to make occasional changes. Tip number 6, incorporate electrolytes. When fasting for extended periods, it's essential to replenish your electrolytes to prevent dehydration and fatigue. Consider adding electrolyte supplements or consuming foods rich in potassium, magnesium, and sodium to support your body's needs. Tip number 7, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are your OMAD habits. Give yourself time to adjust to this eating pattern and remember that consistency is key. Celebrate your progress along the way and trust the process. And there you have it, 7 tips to make OMAD easier. Whether you're new to OMAD or looking to optimize your fasting experience, these tips are sure to help you on your journey to better health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, happy fasting!